Hi guys, good day. Now I will show you how to sharp the knife. The knife, improvised knife that I made. This is my knife, a carving knife. And also I carved this, see this art. It's not good, but I'm trying to carve by metal. Now I will show you how to sharp the knife if you are right-handed too. How to sharp the knife, that good stroke. You are using nail file only. Nail file. Don't use stone, because stone can scratch and can make teeth of the knife, and very bad. The stroke of the knife is not clean. There is something, what do you call this? Something scratches. Use only this nail file. It is using for in the salon, for manicure, pedicure, to clean like this. Like this, huh? And then how to sharp like this only. Don't dip with strong, only light, like this, light sharpening, and then like this little, and here become like too much, what do you call this, too much, that this I don't know how to speak English, like this. This improvised knife made in Swiss. This is made from Switzerland. Okay, thank you very much for watching. And also using knife Swiss also, but I'm using here made in Japan. It's okay, no problem, but the important is you know how to sharp it, because you don't know how to sharp, it's very bad the result. To cut the fruits become damaged, the angle become all damaged, scratches. You must use knife, that good knife, sharp knife, and carbon steel. The same thing if you're right-handed, you will sharp it here, because this is not for carving, this is for cutting. You carve here, and you sharp here on this side, so it's easy to cut like this. This knives is made in Japan. This is very old knife. 4 years I used this. This is what's the name of this? It's written here, high class stainless steel, carbon steel. Okay, thank you, and watch me inside. Watch my videos, and after I will download all details of carving. Yalla, bye.